When you first start Unity, you're met with quite a grey scene. What better to get you motivated than to add some colour to your objects? For this tutorial, I'll be using the primitive game objects in Unity. You can find them here. And we'll always be adding the materials by clicking right in the Assets pane, where a menu will open, going to Create, and then clicking Material. Let's start by adding a plane. This is a primitive game object. We'll scale it up and create a new material. You can rename the material straight away. We'll call ours grass, and then we'll just change the colour using the pop-up menu there. Then, quite simply, you drag the material onto the object that you would like to add the material to in the scene window. Let's add a few more objects and add a few more materials just to get the hang of this. So we add an object with Create Game Object. We choose our game object and we scale it up to make the shape that we would like. Then in the Assets pane, we click Right, Create Material. Again, to add the material to our object, we just drag it onto our object in the scene view. I'd like to show you a different way of adding materials, which is quite useful if you have a lot of objects and you would like to change them all at the same time. I'll just make you a quick scene so that I can show you. You can select the objects either in the hierarchy or in the scene. You can select a lot of objects at the same time. You do this as you would in a file explorer by clicking Shift while you're clicking left. And then if you look in the inspector, in the Materials tab, you can then drag a material onto all of the objects and it will be applied to all of the objects. Note also that you can at any time select a material and change the colour, and all of the objects that have this material applied to it will change colour too. Well, thank you for watching and I hope this has been useful for you. Bye!